Buenos días, compañeros del YouTube, seguidores, todos los que ven los videos, saludos, les quiero mandar saludos a todos ellos. Hoy nos vinimos a pescar aquí al Río de Los Ángeles, solamente yo, el Pipe y mi chamaquito que ahí anda. Bien contento que vino ahora sí a pescar con su papá, ahora que no nos vinimos tan temprano, aquí viene con nosotros. Pues hoy venimos a ver si sale alguna carpa por ahí. Y se la dedicamos a las personas que nos han querido acompañar y que por motivos de trabajo no han podido, y también por lo de andar festejando con la familia, lo que es el fin de año, Navidad y fin de año. Pues aquí estamos un ratito, vamos a darle a ver si sale alguna carpa por ahí. Okay, let's start setting up. This was for you, okay?
Alright, so my cousin Luis just hooked up on what seems to be a monster carp. Oh, that's a good blow up. Let's see if he can bring it in.
Yes. Yes, come on. This one's for you, okay, Sebastian?
Oh, yeah, that's a tank.
Magic carp for you.
That's a tank. Actually, wait, what?
Magic carp. That's a fat carp.
It's a fish, see?
That is a fat carp.
I thought he was bigger than he was.
Oh shit.
Alright, I got him. Here we got a pretty big carp. Want me to get him, Luis, or you got him?
Huh?
Want me to get him for you? You got him.
I got him.
Alright, there we
You
go.
touch the fishy?
No.
That's a good fishy. It's a magic
It's splashing everywhere. Should I just toss him back in the water?
No. Let's get a good scale on him for the biggest carp. Remember, we have the competition today.
Well, so far I'm beating you then.
Yeah, so far you are beating me.
Yeah. Look at the fishy.
Hello.
Hey, where's the scale? This one is for you, Sebastian.
That's one for me?
Yep,
Yes.
that one's for you.
Please me.
Yeah, you got him, okay?
What happened?
We're gonna see how much you weigh, Sebastian.
What happened?
See?
See?
Let's get it for the camera. That is 1.555.
Nice. All right.
1.5 pounder, not
Still
bad.
recording?
Yeah, still recording. Let's put him
Okay.
back in the water.
Pues aquí estamos en el Río de Los Ángeles, no tiene mucho que llegamos. Esta es la primera, se la dedico a mi chamaquito. Ven acá, ven acá, papi. You want to touch the fishy? No. No, it doesn't do anything. Touch it. Eso. It's not. Do we put it back in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, pues véngase.
Did we put it back in water?
Look how this fishy swims away. Fishy swimming away, okay? Away.
Bye-bye.
Beautiful.
See you guys soon, dile.
Come back when you get bigger.
Ok, pues así está. Apenas va empezando el día. Yo, pipe. Ah, you lost that.
Every fucking time, I waited way too long.
You lost that one, but I didn't even get to see it, man.
Nah, it better not go to yours. That's gonna ruin my day.
Alright. I gotta check mine because there's tension on the line. Oh.
No, not whoa. You better not catch my fucking carp.
I saw that bell move a little bit.
Oh, dude, hurry up. Alright, I figured it out, Luis.
Yeah?
You need to put it on the factory.
Yeah.
Should I have let him run more or pull him harder that?
Like, you should pull hard at first and then let him run a little, and then you start dragging him back. Not with the reel, but with the rod. Alright, pipe.
Still on.
Way to go.
It's a big one.
Like I said, use it as a lever. Don't just drag it with your reel.
Help me out.
Okay. Oh, that's a freaking big. That's a pig right here.
Oh, baby. Ah! Take the skunk off with this fucking carp.
Nice. That's a nice one, pipe. Pues aquí andamos todavía en el Río de Los Ángeles. Este güey ya acabó de sacar una carpa. Yeah, come and look at the fishy. Come and look at the fishy.
Luis, you got pliers? It's been good on his lip.
Yeah, hold on.
Let's go.
Ten, dáselo. Llévalo para allá. Ah. What happened? Hmm? Go give it to your cousin over there. Órale.
Give me the pliers first. I don't want to get him bleeding too bad.
Sí. Ahí déjalo. Ahí déjalo en el piso, papá.
He's shaking from excitement. Come on, carpa.
Fishy? Ew. Ew.
There we go.
Nice.
Right. Flushing.
Why are you shaking?
Cause, dude, it's my first carp in like so long.
Here you
The
go.
adrenaline from that fucking fight set me going right now.
Alright, let's see it. Pick it up. Just pick it up. Pick it up and hook it in the air when you have it like.
Alright.
Yeah, pick it up like that. Put your finger through the gill and through the mouth. So thumb in the gill, yeah, like that.
What's he doing?
He's trying to weight the fish.
There we go.
Now you hook it through there. Wait, did you turn it on?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Oh, I didn't reset it though, fuck.
Okay, here, pick up the...
Yeah, I'll get him right now. Oh, don't bite me.
2.8.
0.8 is the first weigh, but I want to weigh him again.
Nice. That's nice. Be careful with the line, Sebastian. That's a smelly ass fish. Alright.
Oh, please grab this.
Ow.
Sorry, Papa.
You bit me.
Well, sorry, I can't see behind me. What are you trying to do?
Weigh him again. Reset it. Reset it. Oh, come on.
Okay. I can't record and do this shit at the same time.
Well, just angle it.
Alright, fuck it. You know what I'm... Ok, nos estaba dando problemas porque está tan grande esta cabrona que no nos dejaba trabajar bien. 2.8 pesó. Y ahí se va.
Ahí va ese monstruo.
Shit. That's a big one. You beat me by what, 20 ounces?
I beat you by almost a pound and a half. I beat you by.
Oh yeah, mine was
pound and,
1.55, huh?
beat you by a pound and 3 ounces. Tenemos el Luis, ya agarró otro.
Come on. Look, your fish is
Vamos a ver si no se la atora.
Holy crap.
Va a ser el tercero para el día. Bring him in down here, Coon, because my line's right there.
Okay.
Watch out for the rocks. Watch out for the rocks. Se mira de buen tamaño. Vamos a ver ahorita si lo puede traer adentro.
That's so far for your lead, man. I'll say for your lead.
What do you mean? You still have to weigh him in.
Do you see how fat this carp is?
My fucking carp look fat too. I don't know.
Alrighty. Okay, Pipe, give me a picture.
Yeah, I got you.
touch the fish before it goes back in the water.
Put the magic carp back in the river, Sebastian.
Tócalo. Eso, no te hace nada. Okay? I'm gonna put it back in the water. Make sure he goes back safely. Whoa, that was
There he goes with a splash.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, fishy. That was pretty good.
Let's go.
I thought you were going by total weight. Ven, agarra esto, papá. Agarra esto.
Mi primo Luis tiene otro. Vamos a ver de qué tamaño sale.
We have another fishy. This one is a small one.
Don't get stuck on the rocks here, Kun. Watch out. The rocks right here.
I got it. In the river, you're supposed to do. Reel it in when they're coming or swimming sideways and they're trying to fight their way back. You pull them with the rod.
Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. That's a nice fish, Luis.
Oh, look. There's the fish. Here comes the fishy.
What do you think, Sebastian? Look at the magic carp. It's coming in.
Hey, it's a Pokemon. Magikarp. Oh, and our tent just flew away.
Y se nos fue la sombría.
Bless you?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, now this one scares me.
Okay.
This one might be the one that beats my carp because it's longer.
Yeah. It might. Come on, chill. Chill. Relax.
Grab his mouth first.
Well, I don't want to hurt it more than I have to.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's okay, Sebastian. It's okay. Okay, come on. You're just making this harder on yourself. Sebastian, bring me the pliers.
I got you. That is a bell, Sebastian. That is not pliers. These are pliers, little boy.
These are pliers. Yes.
Those are pliers. The orange ones.
Alright, pass me the scale pipe. Or, you still
Alright.
recording?
Yep.
Never mind then. I'll get it myself. I didn't even need the freaking pliers. Just popped it back up with a finger. Let me see. Stop it.
Vamos a ver cuánto pesa este pez.
No, I'm not hurting. I just lipped out of my hand.
Yeah, you just gave him 5 or 6 concussions.
He's not cooperating.
Get it in the sun so the people could see.
What is it?
It has 1.835.
You sure that was right? It looks longer, but
It's longer, but it's not as fat as the other ones.
Okay, Sebastian. Let's release it back in the water.
Okay.
Come on.
You said your phone's waterproof, right? What about an underwater release?
He slipped
No, it's
away.
fine. It's still here. And it swims away now.
Ahí se va la carpa, qué hermosa.
That was pretty fish, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, no. Don't go there. Don't go there. Ya no. Te vas a
I got
caer,
him, don't worry.
cabrón. Jump back out. Jump. Jump.
I hit you.
Okay, don't do that anymore, okay? Alright, let's keep going. I hope it's a big fishy.
It's a magic.
Yes. Magikarp. No, don't snag on that fucking rock.
It's over here.
Ahí viene, okay?
It's a pretty big carp. Here he comes in all his tanky glory.
Whoa. I think I just caught it again. That
Same one,
we
huh?
just let go like a while ago. Relax, please.
Well, Luis, pick it up before it kills itself, please.
No. Gotta calm down.
Ah,
My
I did
eye's
not.
taking a hold, that's why. Jesus Christ. Calm down. Okay, I got it.
All right, there we go.
Give me the scale. Give me the scale.
Don't you want the pliers first? Scale's
No.
over there.
Right here in the lip, I think.
Alright then.
Oh, dang, I got him right on the bottom lip. Got him good, too.
This one looks like a 3-pounder. I think you have me beat, Luis.
He's stuck.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers. It's got him good. There we go.
Alright, well here's the scale. Turn
Come
it
on,
on.
Sebastian. Párate aquí a un lado del fishy. A un lado del fishy. Vente para acá. Oh my god. Clean the snot on your face. Límpiate, límpiate. Ok, párate aquí. Véngase, véngase, véngase. Aquí, ahí, párate, párate. Look at the picture, look at the picture. Yeah, in a picture.
No touch me, please.
Okay, no, it's okay, but look at the picture. You got it? Okay. Let's weigh the fishy.
Fishy?
Mm.
Wait. Up there
No, motherfucker, no.
3.14.
3.145.
That officially beats yours.
Alright, now please don't kill the fish because that'll disqualify you.
I don't want to, like, I don't want
Cover
it
his
to rip-
eyes and he'll calm down.
I don't want it to rip its mouth on the hook for that. That's why I always let him go. Okay. Jesus Christ. This one's a big one. And it's slimy. Right when I try to get him.
Carp concussions with Luis.
Come on, Sebastian.
Alright.
Yes. You want to touch it before it leaves?
Yeah.
Touch the magic carp.
Okay. Touch it.
him.
Touch it.
Oh,
Oh, you feel the scales? Ah.
Grab his tail so it doesn't splash everywhere. Alright. Let this glorious beast go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Okay. Hope you grow bigger so we come and get you next time. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a little confused, but there he goes.
Mm.
Go.
You want another one?
Yeah, you definitely gave this carp brain damage. He's coming back.
No, he's probably too. Water's probably too shallow for it to go through here. See? There you go. On his way back. Say bye to the fishy, Sebastian.
Please don't kill this fish.
I am trying to give it the least amount of damage possible.
Fish.
Yes.
Ew.
That was right at the corner of the lip. Almost lost that one.
Oh.
But it's, can we weigh it in? Just for the heck of it?
Yep.
Here's a minute.
I'm guessing 1.8.
Here. Ah, come on. 2.0.
Hold up, let's get it for the camera. 2.0.
Okay, Sebastian. Let's go put it back in the water. Come on. I'm sorry you got smacked in the face.
Well, looks like he's not sorry.
Yeah, I just splashed my backside full of water.
Bye, carp.
Okay, it seems like I'm getting bites. I am getting bites. La está jalando, la está jalando. La está jalando. Ah, no se la llevó. Shit. No se la llevó. Here we are, one more time. Give it this one more go. It's almost time to go home. Ya casi es hora de irnos de retirarnos. Ya dieron las 3 de la, bueno, ya son las 2:45 de la tarde. No sé cuántas carpas ya saqué, la verdad no se he contado. Pues nos ha ido bien. Bien que nos ha ido. Aquí ando con el Pipe, solamente yo, el Pipe y Sebastián. Aquí andamos, nada más. Como he descansado yo toda esta semana y casi todas las hemos dedicado a andar saliendo a la pesca. No nos ha ido tan bien como hoy, pero hemos seguido saliendo. Ahorita ya, si lo escuchan allá, que anda el otro cabrón jugando con su primo, como que ya quedó inquieto. Pero pues el otro güey está un poco fastidiado que no ha sacado más que una carpa. Ahí va. Y aquí andamos. Ok, pues ya se acabó el día, ya dieron las 3 de la tarde, pues ya no se sintió tanto jalón, así que ya mejor vamos a emprender el camino a casa. A ver si mañana volvemos a regresar un ratito, ya que pues ahora sí que nos fue bien. Y así que aquí nos veremos mañana tal vez hago saludos más dedicados, porque pues no pensé que fuéramos a sacar tanto hoy, pero sí, ahí está.